Stock of the week, Microsoft. We know from historical statistical analysis, as well as looking at the various aspects of the company, the balance sheet, the P&L, the profit and loss, that is, the cash flow statements, and its historic price movements, that we should not be surprised were it to get about a 65% return in the next year and a half. Worst case scenario, probably another 5% to the downside. The bullish case, I've drawn it on screen over there. But we don't just do single stock reports for our clients in far more detail than I've just given you. We look at the portfolio as a whole and where something sits in a portfolio. And the reason that's important is because there's no point having one stock doing well, but 19 others doing poorly, and therefore your pension not growing. Equally, there's no point one stock doing well if the 19 other stocks are all highly correlated to it. And when it falls, they all fall. And basically, you've got a portfolio of essentially one stock, all your eggs in one basket. So we train our students to think in terms of the portfolio as a whole to get the kind of growth levels you're looking at on the screen over there. If you'd like to learn more or a free pension education review, or just speak to one of the team to learn more, as I say, the link is in the bio. It's on the screen as well. Just go to alpeshpatel.com. Thank you very much.